I do a lot of continuing education. I really like it. Somebody asked me recently, do you like being a dentist? And without hesitation, I said, absolutely. I would pick my career again in a minute. So I've been very blessed to be able to travel throughout the country learning about dentistry. In fact, my wife kind of calls me a dental nerd, and there's some truth to that. So in between patients every day, I'm reading about it. But I think it's my responsibility, and there's so much really interesting stuff that's out there, and it's changed dramatically. If we went back just 10 years, I can always outdo somebody who's doing 10-year-old dentistry. I don't use the same implants, I don't use the same crowns, I don't use the same filling materials that I did 10 years ago. Now, it's always going to be kind of an artistic craft, so you need a good carpenter, but boy, you need somebody that's up on the newest and latest techniques and materials, and it's really been kind of fun to keep up with that.